These methods help researchers to quickly build a model of an aircraft engine based on existing engine data. The main advantage of this method is that it has low power requirements for the programming technology that are requirements for traditional modeling.
Before beginning the modeling, open GasTurb 13 and click Basic Thermodynamics. Select Cycle Design and open Demo Variable Cycle. The engine design point performance parameters will be shown. To obtain the component maps, in the main window, click Off Design, More, and Standard Maps. Open Demo Variable Cycle and select LPC, IPC, HPC, HPT, and LPT. To model a single component of a variable cycle engine, open a data analysis program and click Simulink. Double-click on Blank Model and click Library to place a function to model. Double-click Function. The thermodynamic equation of the compressor will be described according to the working principle of the compressor. Click the equation and paste to obtain the input and output of the compressor. Rename the function compressor. In the compressor function window, right-click on the function name and select Subsystem and Model Reference